On our channel, we've already shown how to make biochar to enrich your garden soil. And we've also made a liquid fertilizer using green materials from the garden to nourish plants and increase helpful microbes. But in this video, we're taking things even further by combining both, biochar and liquid fertilizer, into one powerful solution that can transform your approach to organic gardening. This mix not only benefits your plants, but also improves the soil in deep, lasting ways. You'll definitely want to try this in your garden. To get started, you'll need 2 containers. We're using 15-liter buckets, but any clean container will do, even old paint buckets. In the first one, add fresh greens from your garden. These could be weeds, leaf trimmings, or cover crops like clover or fenugreek. Fill the bucket about halfway with these greens. Then add a small scoop of compost or garden soil to introduce beneficial microbes. Mix everything together and pour in non-chlorinated water or rainwater until the bucket is nearly full. Stir well and loosely cover the top to allow gases to escape while keeping insects out. In the second container, it's time for the biochar. If you've had a bonfire or burned wood recently, collect the black, powdery, or chunky charcoal, not the white ash. Crush it as finely as possible to increase surface area, which helps microbes attach. Add the crushed biochar to your second bucket, mix in some compost or garden soil, and fill with rainwater or non-chlorinated water. Stir thoroughly and cover loosely, just like the first bucket. Set both buckets aside in a shaded spot and leave them for at least 7 days. We waited 15 days for the best results. When ready, you'll notice a strong, earthy smell, not rotten. That's a good sign your brew is teeming with microbial life. Now for the exciting part. Take a third empty container and pour equal amounts of liquid from the first 2 buckets into it. Mix well. To feed your plants, dilute this combined liquid using a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 8 parts water. Use this to water your plants. It encourages stronger roots, faster growth, and better resistance to disease. The microbes help unlock nutrients in the soil, while the biochar retains moisture and nutrients close to the roots. This is especially helpful during hot or dry spells when plants are more prone to stress. There's also a more powerful method using the concentrated mix. Instead of diluting, apply it directly to your garden bed. This is ideal for preparing a bed before planting or reviving tired soil. First, spread a layer of worm castings over the bed. Worm castings are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and packed with beneficial microbes and enzymes. They help improve soil structure, fertility, and water retention. Once the castings are in place, pour the concentrated liquid directly over them. No need to add water. This mixture will seep into the soil and interact with the castings, feeding and multiplying the beneficial microbes. The biochar holds these nutrients and organisms in place, releasing them slowly over time and preventing loss from runoff. This turns your garden bed into a vibrant, living system. It enhances soil structure, boosts long-term fertility, and encourages deep, healthy root growth. You'll notice greener plants, faster development, and improved resistance to pests and diseases. Even poor soil can come back to life using this method. Using biochar liquid fertilizer is like giving your garden a full ecosystem boost. It doesn't just feed the plants, it builds the foundation for thriving soil life. This supports fungi, bacteria, earthworms, and other tiny organisms that keep your garden healthy and productive. Whether you use the diluted mix for regular plant feeding or the concentrated form to supercharge your soil,